Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Demetrius and I've got great news for you guys. For those of you who want to leverage your Python skills together with the new technologies that we have with OpenAI, ChatGPT for example, and GPT-3, GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, well, I have something for you. I've been spending a couple of months working on this and I'm quite proud of this. This is the first and one of its kind, the Generative Python Text Prompting course. Now what I've done is I've taken Python skills that you might have, and if you don't have, it's fine. You can just be a new programmer in Python. And I've combined them and leveraged the OpenAI APIs. And I've built a course around how you can harness and leverage the new technologies that we have in artificial intelligence today with ChatGPT, of course, which is on GPT 3.5, and in general GPT-3, 3.5, and GPT-4, and how you can use Python to leverage and harness this new technology that we have. Now, let me show you what's in the curriculum. Right, so if you visit the website ob.academy, you'll get to see the course that's now available. I hope you all enjoy it. Take a look at the curriculum page so you can actually see the entire curriculum. There are 11 modules in the course. I'm taking you right through how you can leverage Python very well with the OpenAI APIs, and you can actually work in tandem with the ChatGPT and GPT-3 and 4, and how you can leverage that power. So the curriculum really breaks down a number of sections. I'm taking you through module 1, which is an introduction. So everything to do with what OpenAI is, what is GPT-3 and 4, what's ChatGPT, how does it work, all the different features. With module 2, I'm going to take you through how you can get Python up and running with all the libraries and set up your API hook into the OpenAI platform and work with GPT. Then with module 3, I'm taking you into GPT-3 and 4, showing you text generation, looking at text and style generation, looking at training GPT-3 and 4, and then some examples of fine-tuning and strategies for optimizing text generation. In module 4, I'm taking you right through prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is where the real power is in all this artificial intelligence that we have in ChatGPT and GPT-3 and 4. So I'm going to take you through prompt engineering in terms of both GPT-3 and 4 and then ChatGPT. I'm going to show you advanced prompt engineering, then how to blend the models together, optimizing and engineering those prompts, and then combining the multiple models together. With module 5, we're going to build custom language models. We're going to take a look at how the architecture works, how we train the models, the custom language models for training, and then the different data sets that we can use for optimization. Then with module 6, I take you through the ethics. You know, it's very important to understand that we're moving very quickly with this artificial intelligence. So we must actually understand ethics and concerns around this topic. So I'm going to take you right through all the different ethics and strategies and potential biases and implications with regards to ChatGPT, GPT-3 and 4, and AI in general overall. Then we're going to take you through module 7, which is the future of AI. What are the current trends today? What are the emerging trends in the research? The potential future applications with AI? How to remain relevant with regards to AI, and everything to do with natural language processing. With module 8, I'm going to show you how you can go through and do deployment of GPT-3 and 4 in the production, and looking at things like the production options, the models, the web APIs, the model performance, and the scalability. Then with module 9, we'll take a look at data analysis with GPT-3 and 4. Module 10, I'm going to take you through creating interactive applications, and this is just a guideline as to how you can go about doing things like creating an interactive story, creating an interactive game, and making interactive applications. Then finally with Module 11, we talk about natural language processing and what are the differences, say, between ChatGPT, GPT-3, 3.5 and 4, and what's really new in GPT-4. So hopefully you can get to enjoy the course. Thank you everyone for being patient with me. I finally have this course released. If you're interested, the details are on screen, and see you soon.